In this video, I'll show you how to remove or change your email address on Facebook in just a few simple steps. If you no longer use a certain email or want to switch to a different one for your Facebook account, you can easily update it from the account settings. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. After that, open Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap on Personal Details, then tap Contact Info. Here you'll see all the email addresses connected to your Facebook account. To add a new email, tap Add New Contact, choose Email Address, and enter the new email you want to use. Facebook will send a verification code to that email. Enter the code to confirm it. Once the new email is added, tap on it and select Make Primary if you want it to be your main email. After that, you can tap on the old email address and choose Remove to delete it from your account. And that's it. That's how you can remove or change your email address on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.